Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. In this session, we are going to discuss about shapes in the marks card. For that, we need to create a scattered chart. First let me create one scattered chart. Drag the cells into the column cell and drag the property into the profit and into the row cell. So if you keep, we can notice that there is one shape has been created. So if you notice that there will be profit and there will be circle created, and then we can see the profit and sales for that particular. So the size is very small. We can increase the size so that the shape is visible. And then for the category, we can see how many how the shapes are getting created. For each and every category, sales and profit is being divided. You can see by dragging the category simply into the shape, you can see the one plus icon, one square and one circle. So Tableau by default itself, it will decide based on the number of items available, it will automatically create and assign the shape. So if you see the interactive window here, it will automatically show us the details which shape is belongs to what. So circle belongs to furniture, square belongs to office supplies, plus symbol belongs to technology. At any point we can click on this LOV to edit this title, right? So this title can be formatted based on based on this editor, right? We can always insert values from here. Right now it's not allowed. And the shapes, right? The shape, click on the shapes icon. So here by default these are the shapes. We can change it to filled shape. Click on apply, assign palette, and click on apply. You go and see, automatically this would have been filled by the values. And also we can always assign our own custom shapes also by loading them into the this sheet. Okay, this palette. So that is the main explanation of shapes. So hopefully you understand the shape, how it can be used. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see in the next one.